Hey, get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Weaver, what's going on?
Get your hands up! Taser, taser, taser! Taser! Unlock the car! Unlock the car! Do it now! Unlock the car on that side! Get your hands up! Taser deployed!
I have nothing on me, dude.
Yeah, you just ate it.
No, I didn't eat it.
You're on camera eating it.
On January 30th, 2025, Flagler County deputies stopped a speeding Jeep in Palm Coast. But after deputies spotted suspected crack cocaine sitting in plain view, the traffic stop quickly spiraled as the couple inside allegedly began destroying evidence right in front of the officers.
How you doing, Sergeant Weaver, Flagler County Sheriff's Office? Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
What's up, Weaver?
What's going on, man?
I don't have it right. I have it, but I don't.
Baby.
Sorry. Over here. Sorry.
Registration, proof of insurance?
It's on my phone.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Registration's usually not on the phone, but...
It should be in the glove box then. Give me one sec.
What were you putting between your legs? Just that stuff?
Huh? No, her keys are attached to that, man.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Huh? I'm fine.
Leave it progressive. This one says it's expired. I'm sorry. I'd have to get on the app quick.
Okay.
This one is saying it's expired, and this should be my registration.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Just got light mine.
Can I have that brown bathroom container?
What do you need, babe?
The brown Jeep container. That should have my registration on it.
You use on probation for anything?
Me? No.
I'm just asking. I don't know. No?
No, sir.
Okay. Do
I
I?
haven't been pulled over, sorry, since 2020.
This one says 2020. See?
It does?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
2020.
If you run it, though, on the back of the license plate, you know how you have those stickers?
Yeah.
It should come up good. I know
Okay.
I need to show proof of it.
Yeah,
I can go
that's
ahead and
okay.
print a copy.
No. I see him looking. That's okay.
I see all the old ones.
What are you looking for?
Just registration. This
These
is
are all here right there. That one.
This is 2025. Perfect.
Gotcha. Okay. When you find the insurance, just hold on to it, okay? Let me check your license.
I'm just downloading the Progressive app. I just got a new phone, so I have to add on the app.
What's that on your seat right here? Underneath your left leg? Your left leg?
Okay.
That white rock?
Yes.
Whoa. Stop. Stop.
What are you
Hey.
doing?
Put your hands on the dashboard. Put your hands on the dashboard. Do it now.
What are you doing?
He's hiding.
Why
He's
are you
showing
pointing a gun at me?
Get your hands
He's eating it. He's eating it. He's
What are
eating
you
it.
talking about?
Get your hands up! Taser, taser, taser! Taser! Unlock the car! Unlock the car! Do it now! Unlock the car on that side! Get your hands up! Taser deployed! Give us a channel!
It's out, sir. Weaver, stop.
Stop.
Weaver, stop. My
It was not open!
My belt's on. My belt's on. My belt's on. My belt's on. Stop.
Get on the ground!
Stop.
Get on the ground!
All right, yeah, I'm on the ground. Stop.
Put your fucking back!
That door was open. That's my phone. The door was
Everything's
open.
on video! It wasn't open!
No, the door was
Get
open.
your hands up!
The door was open. I promise you. The door was open.
It was not open.
You did not need to do that. You did not need
Male
to do
passenger
that.
reading narcotics. We had taser deployed on the male passenger.
You did not need to do that! Sir, the door was unlocked! The door was unlocked!
Get your hands on the steering
It
wheel.
was unlocked!
It was not unlocked. I'm on video trying to open it multiple
I hope
times.
you look at it. The red light, the red thing would be off.
No.
Yes, it was unlocked. It was unlocked. You know it was unlocked.
Get us coverage code 3, please.
The door was unlocked. Look, you see my door? You see how it's red?
Get your hands on the steering wheel.
It was unlocked. I promise you that door was unlocked.
Get your hands on the steering wheel.
That door was unlocked.
Bro, I have nothing on me, dude.
Yeah, you just ate it.
No, I didn't eat
You're on camera eating it.
Stop.
You're on camera for that door being unlocked. I promise you.
Get your hands on the steering wheel.
That door was unlocked. You're thinking about it, aren't you?
No, the door was not
The door
unlocked.
was unlocked.
No, it
I
wasn't.
promise you it was unlocked.
No, it wasn't.
I promise you it was unlocked.
It wasn't.
It was.
It's on camera.
It was on camera. It was unlocked.
It's on
I
camera.
promise you it was unlocked. I promise you. I swear to God it was unlocked. You look at mine? Look at mine. You see that red dot? When you look at that camera, that red dot's gonna be showing on his door. You broke that window and tasered him for nothing. I understand.
For
it gives
eating
you a hard
narcotics.
time.
For
I
eating
break-
drugs.
No, that doesn't matter. That doesn't mean you can hurt people.
Yeah, I gave him
Because
an order
somebody
to unlock
breaks
the
the rules,
vehicle.
you're able to break a rule.
I gave him to unlock the vehicle.
What
Give him an
rules
order
are
to unlock the
okay to be
vehicle.
broken? What rules are okay to be broken then? You want to break rules too, correct? That door was unlocked. You know it. That door was unlocked. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling a lawyer. I want to call a lawyer right now. I want to call a lawyer right now.
No, keep your hands on the steering wheel.
I want to call a lawyer. Please let me call a lawyer now.
There's stage, do you want him to roll?
Let me call a lawyer now.
Yeah, they can roll.
Yeah, they can roll.
We have one security,
We have one taser point.
I need to call a lawyer.
Unnecessary, sir.
It was. I need to call a lawyer now.
One secured, one
Please.
Keep your hands on the steering wheel.
My hands have not moved, sir. Can I please call a lawyer?
Weaver, please.
Please.
No, you can keep your hands on the steering
My
wheel.
hands have not moved off the steering wheel. Stop! You! Stop!
There's
What
stuff
did
stuck to it.
I do?
Get
What
your
did I
hands
do?
up.
I have never been arrested. What did I do? Don't have me shaking.
Listen!
You can see it. It was stuck to her boat.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I got her.
The door was unlocked, sir. I didn't do anything.
Can you face the car?
I'm not moving.
It's caught on.
Shaking. You want me to take my jacket off? You can take my jacket off, please.
No.
What did I do?
You have narcotics stuck to the bottom of your
No,
butt.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I have food.
not
Stuck to
food.
the bottom of my butt.
It's not food.
It's food.
It's not food.
You broke that window and you know it. That car door was
Yes,
unlocked.
I did break the window.
And you tasered him. That car was unlocked.
I broke the window. You're right.
What the f is going on?
All right.
This is what she wasn't able to destroy right here.
Yeah, right here. You see the bag ripped open?
Yeah.
There's meth right there on the seat.
No drugs.
No, it's crack.
You got cocaine kit?
Did we get what he was trying to eat?
I don't know. I couldn't.
It was in his hand. He grabbed it from the center right there and was trying to eat it.
She took this piece here. I was like, what is that? She grabbed it,
22.
brought it closer, could tell the crack off and went.
2500 block ready with Florida.
But moments later, deputies explained why they believed smashing the window was the only option left.
No, the window was cracked like this much.
Yeah.
He started eating drugs. I was yanking on the door handle, telling him to open the door. He looked over, grabbed into the center, went like this to eat it, and I tased him through the window.
How'd you would you
So
pull the window down?
No. So yeah. So then he tried to get his hand back up there again. I popped him again, and then I couldn't open it, and I just grabbed the window.
We're not even supposed
So-
to. Okay.
You're the one eating drugs, bro.
Bro, I didn't eat no drugs.
Come on, Michael. You're on camera through the window, bro.
How am I on camera through the window?
This
Axe
is a
on-
camera
It's a.
through your window, bro. Yes.
I didn't eat it.
Okay.
Are you guys pulling these? We have never pulled. I have never pulled these for you guys before. Or it's not in our guidelines.
What's
to do
going on with
that.
my wife?
Like,
She's getting arrested
For what?
for drugs in the car.
What drugs?
The drugs that she was sitting on. The needle in the car,
Where is that?
in the center of the center console. If it's not yours, then it's hers. She's driving the vehicle.
in the hand or spine or
You want to play all these games?
What are you charging her with?
Narcotics. We got to test. Who?
Like, why are you charging her?
Because you're saying that you weren't eating drugs, bro. We all know that you were eating drugs.
Ready?
Where's the drugs? Do you have anything that tests for drugs?
They're probably inside your stomach.
Okay, listen. You said you're
This one,
testing
no.
something.
Yeah, there's
You're
narcotics in the car.
What
Yes.
about this one?
Where are the narcotics?
They're in the car, Michael.
Don't charge my wife with anything.
Okay. Well, she's getting charged
Why?
because she had narcotics near her as well. Is that one in there?
Yeah, hold on.
And if I said they were all mine, would you let her go? Ow!
There you go. You got it.
Weaver?
There might be another one. Is there another one right here?
Is there?
Weaver.
Or just wires?
Can I talk to you, dude?
Okay. Yeah, there would have been 4.
Okay, we're just
Okay, perfect. Yep.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah, I'm here. You can talk.
Learned something today. You guys good? Yeah,
Thank you. But if you're planning on talking and admitting anything, you need to read your rights before
Well,
you
listen.
start talking
hold on.
to me.
Before we do that,
It can't be
we
before
have
we do that.
kids. We have kids, dude. You
It
gotta
can't
let
be
her.
before that. No, I can't, don't have to let her go.
Why would you take her to jail if I'm going to take
She had
responsibility?
she had narcotics.
If I'm going to take responsibility for whatever.
Well, if you're going to take responsibility before you do that, all right, Michael, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, it won't be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are you saying that's in
What
the
are
car
you
that's
charging
yours?
me with?
Well, tampering with evidence for eating whatever you ate on camera.
But what
Narcotics?
evidence if there's nothing there?
Okay, Michael.
Sir.
Okay.
That's all I'm asking.
Okay, you can fight that in court, okay? It's on body cam.
Bro,
Two different
I'm
body cams.
fine, dude. You know,
You're out on bond?
Yes.
Oh, so that's a revoked bond on you.
you're
You're out
charging
on
me with
bond?
felony.
Eating narcotics is a felony, Michael. Yes.
But you're
Yes. Eating narcotics is a felony. You're on 2 different body cameras. Corporal Green, who's at the driver window, through the window that's open on the driver's side, you're reaching, digging in the center console. You pull out a bag of dope and you eat it.
I'm trying to unlock the car. Before
No,
you're
it
telling
does.
me.
So you're telling me
And
to unlock buttons in the middle?
I don't know, sir.
Come on, Michael.
It's-
Michael, do you want me to watch you on video on Axon on body cam? You want to watch it yourself and see it for your own eyes?
You're gonna show me right now. You're gonna show me that I'm eating drugs.
There's a crack pipe by your feet.
If you find anything in the car, man, don't charge my wife, dude. Don't charge my wife, dude. We have kids.
Michael, you can scoot over.
You're the one who did this. All this could have been avoided if you just got out of the car. I was telling you to get your hands up and to get out of the car.
Trying to.
You were too
bro,
busy
like-
trying to eat drugs.
Bro, you had a taser in my face.
No, that was after you started digging for the center and eating drugs.
Keep assuming I'm eating drugs.
You did. It's on camera. You can put them in. We'll take them both. It's fine.
Don't take my wife.
She's going to jail too, Mike.
For what?
Okay.
Bro?
Come on, hop in the car.
Come on.
Come on.
What have you found in the car? You haven't
Hop in
told
the
me
car.
anything.
Needle, bag,
You haven't said anything.
crack pipe.
In the end, Michael Allison was charged with trafficking amphetamine, tampering with evidence, resisting an officer without violence, and possession of drug paraphernalia. Jessica Bontempo was additionally charged with trafficking amphetamine, tampering with evidence, possession of cocaine, and possession of drug paraphernalia after deputies allegedly discovered drugs, syringes, and multiple pieces of narcotics equipment throughout the Jeep. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.